Welcome to the first video of my dragon drawn colouring in course. Hi, I'm Gail, artist and illustrator, and I love using colour. And in this video series, I'm going to give you some colouring in tips and techniques that will help bring your line art pictures to life. Let's get started. These are the 3 colouring in pictures we're going to use through this mini course: a bookmark, reindeer, and dragon. In the first colouring in video, we will be looking at this bookmark that I've drawn and how you can go from something like this line art bookmark to something like this by just using 6 inexpensive colour pencils, and we'll learn a little bit about the colour wheel too. Next is colouring in a picture taken from my original artwork. It's Winter Moon, and we're going to bring this line art version to life by using some basic colouring in techniques. Finally, we'll work on colouring in a line version of a dragon taken from my original picture, Lord of the Blue Moon, and we'll look at contrasting colour and more detailed colouring in. All these 3 pictures are free to download at dragondrawn.com, so I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.